Hello guys, Terra Arts Movie here with another exciting After Effects tutorial, and today we are going to be learning how to replace a sky on your video. Let's say for example here I get a video here already inside After Effects, and as you can see here the sky is pretty boring. It's just a blown out sky, a plain white, so it looks really boring, and we gotta replace it with this sky image. So to do that, just import the sky image to your After Effects by click and drag it to your After Effects, and then just click and drag it below the video. And as you can see here, the sky image is a little bit smaller than the video, so all you gotta do, just press S on your keyboard, brings up scale and scale it up, and make sure it's bigger than your video if your video is moving like me. As you can see here, my video is kind of moving, and we're gonna make the sky image a little bit bigger because we're gonna track it later. Alright, so now after this, everything is gonna be very easy. All you're gonna do is click on the video and go to effect, keying, and then extract. Boom. And then make sure it's luminance because we're gonna get rid of the white area here, the blown out area. And then the white point, we're gonna set it down until it removes only the sky. So as you can see here, we're practically done. We already get rid of the sky and we replace it with the image below, but we got a little problem. We got harsh edges going on here, and we also got a sky that a little bit weird. So basically this video I shot it with flat profile using my Canon 5D Mark II, so it's kind of bright, and this image right here is kind of a little bit too much contrast going on and a little bit darker from the video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color correct it so it will match the video. So go to the sky image or your sky image, just click it and go to effect, color correction, and hue and saturation for me, and the master lightness I'm gonna punch it up until it match the lighting and everything in my video. So as you can see here, it's already looking really good. So this is before, after, but we still have some harsh edges as you see here. So to fix that, I'm using After Effects CC here, by the way. So maybe you don't have this effect if you're using the previous version of After Effects, but I'm also gonna be telling you another effect that you can use in previous version of After Effects, so don't you worry. Alright, so make sure you click on the video, effect, and go to matte, and go find refine soft matte. Basically it's gonna do the job by itself. So the edges already looks really good, but this is some kind of very heavy effects. As you can see here, there's still some white garbage here going on. So what we can do, we can go down here, decontamination, and we can find extend where smooth it. Just check that and problem solved. But it's a very heavy effect and I don't really like it. So, and also maybe you don't have this on the previous version of After Effects. So also maybe the extract here, if you're using After Effects before C4 or whatever, you don't have this effect also. So I'm just gonna be teaching you another effect to do this result. Alright, so just turn it off, everything, and we're gonna start from the beginning here. So we're gonna go to effects and presets on the right side over here. On the search tab, make sure you type in Luma Key. There you go, Luma Key. Click and drag it to your video, and then make sure the key out darker here, you're gonna change it to key out brighter, and then the threshold, you're gonna punch it up until it reveals everything except the sky. There you go. It's easy, and you can find this effect in every version of After Effects. Luma Key. So there you go. So finish. You still have some harsh edges right here, and to fix that, you're gonna go to effects and presets again, and the search tab, you're gonna now type in matte choker. There you go, matte choker. Click and drag it to your video also, and you're gonna play with the settings here. Give me the settings, maybe punch it a little bit for me, 7, choke 1. Well, basically just play with the settings, geometric softness to make it just a little bit soft. There you go. But actually, as you can see here, the edges is still kind of a little bit brighter than the sky, but sometimes you can use it to manipulate the sky image so it's gonna blend more naturally. So basically this is the white is coming from the sky, right, our real sky. So we can punch the brightness from the sky image here just up a little bit until it blends just like so. So basically it will also have some logical sky here, as you can see here. So the sky is not too dark, it's perfectly blend with the scene. Alright, so basically we are finished, but we have some problem. If you are recording in a moving camera, of course you're gonna track your camera. If you don't know how to track the camera, I'm just gonna be telling you right now anyway. So to track your camera, go to layer, new, we're gonna create null object. So what is null object? Null object is actually you can export your tracking data to null object to represent the tracking data. So the null object. So after that you're gonna click your video and go to tracker. If you don't have tracker, you can go to the window and tracker. Alright, so tracker, make sure you click your video, make sure the timeline is on the beginning of the video, and click track motion, and then we're gonna move the track point to the furthest area of the video. As you can see here, for me is the light right here, the lamp, little lamp right here. So after that all we're gonna do is make sure the edit target is the null, because we're gonna export the tracking data to the null object, and click OK, and then just click analyze forward, and it's finished. And then click apply and X and Y and OK. There you go. And we can just close this, and we can go to null object, and we can just turn it off, so we don't have, because we don't have to see this box, red box right there. And make sure the timeline is back to the beginning, and the sky image here, as you can see here, there's a thing called parent, and click on this little circle thingy, roundy thingy here, click and hold it and go to the null. So basically what it does, the sky image is gonna be following the tracking data from the null object. So now if we scrub through the video, as you can see here, the sky is like it's already there, it's like it's part of the video. There you go. But sometimes if you have a lot of movement, you're gonna have some motion blur in your video. So maybe we're gonna give the sky image also a motion blur. So all you're gonna do is turn on this motion blur right here. As you can see here, enables motion blur. Click that, and then on the sky here, just enable the motion blur right here, the motion blur box. Click it, and there you go. And this sky already have some motion blur. If you don't see all of this, maybe you're in this position, just go down here and toggle switch modes. Boom, there you go. Alright guys, so that's basically it. There's two ways of replacing your sky. First of all is extract and refine soft matte, and second one is Luma Key and Matte Choker. But I'm gonna prefer you extract with Matte Choker. So extract with Matte Choker is gonna be, because in extract there's just a lot of thing here, white softness. You can make it soft, well, whatever you like. If you don't have extract, maybe you just Luma Key. It's just gonna give you a better result with extract, for me, by the way. If you are good with Luma Key, then just use Luma Key. Alright guys, so my name is Mr. from Terra Arts Movie. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next cool videos and tutorial. Ciao.